Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be reading the book Families, Families, Families by Suzanne Lang and Max Lang. Okay, I have a family. I have a husband and 2 children. And when I was growing up, I had a mom, a dad, and 2 brothers were the people in my family. And down here, all around, we see all kinds of different families. What kind of family do you have? Who is in your family? All right, during today's reading, I will be providing aided language input using the WordPower vocabulary from Sotillo on a word wall poster. Okay. Oh, all kinds of animals. Oh, I like the hippo. Families, families, families. We see little birds. I wonder if they're in a family together. Whoa. Some children have lots of siblings. So that means lots of brothers and sisters. Look at all those ducks. Some children have none. So they're the only kid. I like how those pandas all have on the same shirt. Some children have 2 dads. And some have 1 mom. Some children live with their grandparents, so they live with their grandma and grandpa. And some live with an aunt. Look at that cow. He has braces on his teeth. I remember when I used to have to wear braces too. Some children have many pets. There's the birds that were on our title page. Remember? They're flying all around, so they have all kinds of pets. And some just have a plant. He has a cactus. Some children live with their father. Ooh, I like how they used letters like we find on our fridge to spell out moose. M-O-O-S-E. Moose. And some children have 2 mothers. Koalas. I have never seen a koala in person. Some children are adopted. And some have stepsisters and brothers. Some children bunk with their cousins. Whew, that was like our duck picture where there were a lot of ducks. There are all kinds of rabbits in that picture. And some have a mom and a pop. Some children's parents are married. And some children's parents are not. So no matter if you have a ma, a pa, a hog, or this llama, 10 frogs and a slug, or a cousin named Doug, a great-grandma Betty or great-aunt Sue, uncles Ha, Al, and Sal, and Uncle Lou too. One-step sis or three-step bros, two-step moms and a prize-winning rose, a robot butler to serve you tea. Whoa, that would be cool. The world's biggest grandpa, or whatever it might be. If you love each other, then you are a family. Look at all of our characters. Like I said, I think I like the hippos the best. What about you? What characters do you like? All right, there was the end of our book. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope that you liked it. If you did, leave me a comment down below or give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you get notifications when I upload new videos. And if you like the reading of this book and you would like to see more, then check out the playlist of other book readings where I provide aided language input and demonstrate a few different shared reading strategies. Thank you so much.